You made the right decision to sell your products on Amazon, and you're on your way to becoming successful. However, this joy might not last long if you happen to apply an inaccurate SEO strategy on Amazon. When selling on this huge e-commerce website, a seller must proceed with caution. Amazon has a vast consumer base and a strong reputation all around the world. This heavy traffic allows you to reach millions of consumers and promote your products to sell. Then again, it's a fact that there are other sellers as competitors. Finding low competition products or effectively presenting your product might make a significant difference in your journey. Amazon uses a dynamic algorithm that is updated regularly. In this current pandemic, a strategy from the previous year may not be as effective. For example, let's discover the basics and tips on selling on Amazon. Amazon algorithms. Let's take a closer look at how this algorithm works. The working is much identical to the Google algorithm but not the same. The algorithm is similar to, but not identical to, Google's algorithm. Rather than providing information, they deal with the marketing perspective. The process begins when you perform a product search and discover products that are listed on the page. Here, you should give a thought to how the algorithm determines which products are displayed first. The logic behind this algorithm is to make sure to provide relevant products that match the customer's wants and needs. Thus, the customer's loyalty increases with the e-commerce portal. Lastly, Amazon uses the A9 algorithm for ranking its products in the search option. The algorithm is based on the following factors: number of positive customer reviews, history of the sales, keywords are the success key, optimal price of the product, Amazon SEO strategy tactics, intensive analysis of the keywords. Amazon, like Google, has its own SEO strategy. As a result, the seller's major objective should be on the keywords as they connect customers and sellers together. Your shop's performance is determined by the use of relevant keywords that customers are looking for. Utilizing accurate keywords in your content, such as title or description, increases your chance of ranking on the first page of the product list. As a result, the product's traffic and revenues also increase. You should use a keyword research tool for this purpose. There are paid and free options for these tools. Optimal product listing. This refers to creating a well-prepared portfolio of the product. Providing a high-level summary of the product. Begin by looking at the product title. Amazon's thumb guideline is that product descriptions should not exceed 200 characters. More relevant keywords should be included in the text, as well as the bullet points. Mentioning the technical details is also quite essential. Make sure to highlight the product's strongest and most important qualities. Back-end keywords, as well as high-quality product titles and descriptions, should be included in your product descriptions. The high-quality representation of the product. The quality of the product image affects whether a customer will buy it or not. Thus, an on-point high-quality image of the product is necessary. According to Amazon instructions, the dimensions of your Amazon image should be at least 1,000 pixels tall and 1,600 pixels wide. There is a limit of 10,000 pixels. You can resize your images without losing quality if their size is too large. Make sure to use a professional image with a pure white background. Remember, their policy prohibits graphics, illustrations, mock-ups, or any kind of placeholders. Reviews and ratings. According to a recent study, 79% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. 85% of consumers say that they read online reviews for local businesses. 73% of consumers say positive customer reviews make them trust a business more. A customer, most of the time, makes a purchase only after analyzing the reviews of customers who have already purchased the product. Thus, positive reviews from customers determine future sales of your product. A customer tries to find the real worth of the product after reading the reviews of customers. Managing the product review is necessary for increasing sales of your products. In order to encourage more customers, you must provide these three things. 1. Ensure a positive and supportive customer experience. Any interaction you have with your customers, whether an inquiry about how your product works or a shipment status update, is an opportunity to improve their perception of your shop. 2. Send smarter feedback requests. Send a request when the buyer is most likely to respond. Consider time zones, national holidays, and other situations in which they can be unavailable. Additionally, don't ask for feedback on vulnerable items. When looking for a high feedback score, stay away from products that may break upon delivery. Instead, choose items that travel well and have good review history. And the most important thing to do if you receive negative feedback is to apologize. Your response should be customized to your customer's individual needs, so that they feel valued. 3. Use Amazon's early reviewer program when launching products. This is a paid service provided by Amazon. Amazon requests reviews from a group of participating shoppers after they purchase your product in exchange for gift cards through this program. Amazon charges you a one-time fee of $60 on your first review to cover the cost of these gift cards. Products with less than 5 reviews and a price of $15 or more are eligible for the early reviewer program. Product Performance Analytics. This refers to the study of customers' purchase process. We can learn about recurring visits to the product, the number of page views, and checkouts through performance analysis. In a nutshell, this means analyzing a customer's journey through a product. This draws attention to activation statistics and customer retention as a top priority. Amazon uses the stack ranking performance for this purpose. That's it for this video. If you would like to discover something specific about Amazon, share your comments below so that I provide you with the information you need. I wish you successful sales and hope these tips help you to pave your way to success. See you in the next video.